Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you two best heart rate monitor apps for Android, and we're going to discuss pros and cons of these two apps. So the first app, Instant Heart Rate HR Monitor. The pros: highly accurate measurements, simple user-friendly interface, and tracks measurement history. But the cons are: contains ads in free version, and premium features require payment. So, how to use? Install the app and open it. Then go through the registration and let's start. So then just place your finger on the camera lens. Hold still for 10 or 15 seconds. And when measurement is completed, you can see the graph of the measurement. And the second app, Heart Rate Monitor Pulse app. Pros: detailed graphs and statistics, alerts for abnormal heart rates, and data export options. And the cons: sleeper learning curve and subscription needed for advanced features. And here's the tutorial how to use it. Install the app and then open it. Allow and go through the subscriptions and tests. Then select a language and continue. So as you can see, you have to also cover the camera with your finger. So as we can see, here's our analysis, and yeah, that's how you measure your heart rate. And to be honest, I prefer the second app more because it has a lot more information you want to see. It has very interesting statistics and a lot of other cool stuff. So if this video was helpful for you, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.